and suicide. Dr.
Your
Manning
second
was
round,
the
sir.
brilliant mind behind the creation of today's
Thank
modern
you.
robot. He founded U.S. Robotics Incorporated with Lawrence Robertson.
It is common knowledge that in the near future, robots will replace humans in the majority areas in the blue work industry. And this invasion is already started in this warehouse. The South East London warehouse is run by British online supermarket Ocado and features the latest in its automation technology. The robots, which look like washing machines on wheels, move on top of a grid like pieces on a chessboard. Beneath the floor, each square hides a stack with containers. The containers are filled with some of the products offered by Ocado, stored according to an algorithm that predicts when they will be needed. When an order is sent to the warehouse, the robots spring to life and head towards the container they require, passing within 5 millimeters of each other. The bots are not autonomous, but orchestrated by a system that works like air traffic control, playing their roles for them.